Have you ever wondered how experts figure out what a business is actually worth? Whether it's being sold, merged, or involved in a legal dispute, someone has to calculate its value. And that's where professionals with the ABV designation come in. ABV stands for Accredited in Business Valuation. It's a professional credential awarded to qualified accountants who specialize in valuing businesses. In simple terms, it means the person is trained to determine what a company is worth. Now, business valuation is more complicated than just looking at profit. A company's value can depend on assets, debt, future earnings, cash flow, market conditions, industry trends, and even intangible things like brand reputation. That's why specialized training is needed. The ABV credential is offered by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants and is designed mainly for certified public accountants, also known as CPAs, who want to specialize in valuation work. Now, what does someone need to get this qualification? First, they generally need to already be a licensed CPA. Then they must meet experience requirements related to business valuation work. This means they need real-world involvement in valuing companies or business interests. After that comes the exam. The ABV exam tests areas like valuation methods, financial analysis, professional standards, and economic concepts used in business valuation. Candidates need to understand how to assess companies using approaches such as the income approach, the market approach, and the asset-based approach. In simple terms, they learn different ways to estimate what a business is truly worth. Now, why does this qualification matter? Because business valuation plays a major role in the financial world. Companies may need valuations during mergers, acquisitions, divorce settlements, tax planning, litigation, or when raising investment. An ABV professional helps ensure those valuations are credible and professionally prepared. A common misunderstanding is thinking valuation is just educated guessing. It's not. While estimates are involved, business valuation follows structured financial methods and professional standards. Another misconception is that ABV professionals only work with massive corporations. In reality, many work with small and medium-sized businesses as well. So, what's the key takeaway? The ABV credential is a specialized qualification for accountants who focus on business valuation. It requires professional experience, advanced financial knowledge, and passing a detailed exam on valuation techniques and analysis. And once you understand ABV, you start to see that valuing a business isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the financial story behind the company itself.